Meet the Brabus Mercedes-AMG S-Class, where power meets pure luxury. With a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower and a mind-blowing 1,820 Nm of torque, this beast is engineered to dominate. Under the hood, Brabus transforms a 4.5-liter V8 with custom turbos, upgraded pistons, and a precision ECU tune. The result? Unstoppable performance. The design? Aggressive carbon aero elements paired with 22-inch forged wheels, all in a sleek, exclusive gray finish. Step inside to a cabin wrapped in quilted gray leather, blending elegance and unmatched comfort. The Brabus S-Class, a masterpiece of speed, style, and sophistication. Ready to experience the ultimate ride? Subscribe for more jaw-dropping cars like this.